Residents and women of Khurai staged a sit-in protest today against the bomb blast that occurred on the midnight of August 2nd and late night of August 3rd at the locality. The protests were jointly organized by Khurai Development Club and Women's Society. Speaking to media persons, Nandaibam Laikai Gram Panchayat chairperson M. Narendra expressed grave concern over the twin blast in the densely populated area. He questioned who will have been held accountable had the explosions caused fatalities or casualties. Noting that everyone is already enduring untold miseries amidst the ongoing unrest in the state, Narendra urged those responsible not to repeat such acts in the future. He appealed them to settle any disagreements with local residents amicably through peaceful dialogue. Remember viewers, the initial bomb blast took place on August 2nd at around 2:25 a.m. while the second blast occurred the following day at 11:25 p.m.
Yana one of you bomb and Gelaga, what is in property, Yanik, other Lake, Sanana, bomb and Gelaga, what is in property, other Lake, Yana was in Yana view, Kanakano, Kangde, the woman of bomb and Gelize, Yaninga was sounding good labor, give her money, Kanano, X, Y, Z, a do okay, Kangre, the Wudu, Haribo, Peggy, Angamba, bomb and Gelize, now sing without when I told in the say. The guys that were doing that, one to high and bar, and my husband will let him go to Vidana.